Hey, welcome back to Lemon Cone, your go-to channel for easy and delicious recipes. Today we are diving into the world of flavor with our crispy chicken wraps. Let's roll up our sleeves and start with homemade tortilla wraps. In a bowl, combine flour, milk powder, corn flour, salt, sugar, baking powder, oil, and water gradually. Knead until you have a smooth ball of dough. If it feels a bit sticky, feel free to dust it with flour during kneading. Grease the dough with oil and cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, knead the rested dough for a while, shape it into a ball and then divide it into equal sizes. Form small balls according to the size requirement of your tortillas. Roll them into thin tortillas. Cook the tortillas on the heated griddle for 10 seconds each side. Keep them soft by covering with a cloth. Before we dive into the sauce, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes coming on your way. Now let's get back to the sauce that will elevate our wraps. For the delicious sauce, mix mayonnaise, finely chopped garlic, ketchup, mustard paste, hot sauce, and honey. Mix it well and get ready for a flavor explosion. Moving on the star of the crispy chicken, cut boneless thighs into strips, marinate with salt, paprika powder, garlic powder, oregano, hot sauce for 15 minutes. Prepare the coating, whisk together egg, milk, and pinch of salt. For the flour coating, in a bowl, mix flour, salt, black pepper powder, and red chili powder. Take a marinated chicken strip and first coat it in the flour mixture, ensuring an even covering. Dip the flour chicken into the egg mixture thoroughly, coating it. Again, coat the chicken in the flour mixture. Press slightly to create a textured surface for extra crispiness. Fry the chicken on medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes each side. Don't move them for the first 2-3 minutes to maintain that golden crispiness. Now it's time for assembling. Take tortilla, spread generous amount of the prepared sauce onto the tortilla. Place a layer of iceberg lettuce and cabbage. Arrange the fried chicken pieces. Spread some more sauce over the chicken. Carefully roll the tortilla with all the ingredients into a tight wrap, ensuring all the delicious filling are snugly enclosed. To keep it secure, you can wrap the assembled tortilla in butter paper, creating a neat and convenient package for serving. There you have it, crunchy crispy chicken wraps that will satisfy your taste buds. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and leave your valuable feedback. Until the next video, keep cooking, keep smiling.